Hey Joy. What do you say to the stylist opposed to co-washing and recommend, let me say that again so you understand it. What do you say to stylists who oppose co-washing and recommend sulfate shampoos at least once a week? I say find another hairdresser who makes sense. If you have a naturally drier, kinkier, curlier textures, that's like saying I have naturally dry skin, so I'm gonna wash my face with soap. That's all I'm saying. Your hair is drier than your skin. So why would you use traditionally, historically, what was for a flat, oily texture on a texture that has been overlooked historically, disregarded, and cast aside? Listen to a hairdresser who's still using the same old stuff and getting the same results. Not good ones.